What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Out here fishing with my brother today.
Hi guys.
And we were limited out by 7:30. Got a couple nice pigs in here. I'll show you. Just real quick. My terminal gear. Probably no surprise to most of you guys. VIP line lock. 24-inch bumper, VIP. Short bust, the mixed chrome 360
With breakaway.
with the breakaway. And 24-inch. I went shorter today because I got skunked last time. I wasn't very happy, so I changed things up.
Hot lure was the Mexican hat today. This guy didn't get, he only had one sniff.
Yeah.
One drive-by.
2 fish on this 24-inch bumper, the VIP spinner, Mexican hat. There you go, guys.
Good day.
Get out there and get you some fish. Leave a comment, hit that thumbs up. Later. Come on.
Look, I thought I had one a minute ago. That's not one, is it? I still want to snag up. Yeah, just fight that fucker.
Hey, but the ship come in so the head goes short.
Right shore, left shore.
Or one.
Got my rod right behind you, so. Somebody go ahead. There we go. I think was fighting mine.
Or short. All like
Like way hard break?
Yeah.
Okay. Sweet.
Dude, that didn't take long. 10 minutes?
Well, I said 2 passes, 2 fish. I'd be.
Hard right, hard right.
We're going right. And one might have some sides. You want me to slow it down a little bit, or? I'll slow it
Yeah,
down.
you can slow it down a little bit.
Okay, I'm bumping it down. Nice. Want this thing off?
The old Mexican guys, huh?
Yep. Absolutely. It's fucking. I put one on. Actually, you know what? The funny thing was, I put one on, and we had a coho on it that we lost at the boat. 33 feet of water.
Okay, Brad, ready?
I don't think you did.
Okay.
Look at him or put him in the boat. He's a black mouth, isn't he?
I haven't seen it yet.
Looks like, damn it. Goodness. I think your drag must have been loose. He's not that big. Right on, dude. Sweet. And look at Russ. Your lure's out right now. Fuck, shitty net job, dude.
Yeah, I have to agree on that one, guys. Not as big as I thought.
No, it was. Bump and bleed, bro. Ouch. Okay, 23 feet of water. I'm not gonna make sure we don't get beached like Justin.
Yeah, no shit.
Yeah, that's a nice fish. Clip too. Where's your bunker, bro?
I don't know.
There we go. That's not bottom, is it?
Nope.
I think I might have had a fish that went to your fucking rod. That's a big one. You want me to pull
Come on, get down. Okay, but the ship coming, so head towards the shore.
Right shore, left shore.
Or Washington.
Got my rod right behind you, so I'm gonna go ahead. There we go.
No,
Fuck, I think I
Vance, head towards shore. All like you know.
like way hard.
Yeah.
Okay. Sweet.
Dude, that didn't take long. 10 minutes? Feels like a
2 passes, 2.
hard right, Vance.
We're going right. That one might have some size. You want me to slow it down a little bit, or? I'll slow
Yeah, you can slow it down a little bit.
Okay, I'm bumping it down.
Yeah, this is a good fish, dude.
Nice. Want this thing off?
I don't know. The old Mexican hat. I'm glad I bought it.
Yeah, absolutely. I put one on. Actually, you know what? The funny thing was, I put one on, and we had a coho on it that we lost it at the boat.
This thing's heavy.
33 feet of water.
Okay, Vance, ready?
I don't think he is. Good hit, John. Okay, I got it. Take a look at him or put him in the boat?
Put him in the
He's a
boat.
black mouth, isn't he?
I can. Haven't seen it yet.
He's like, damn it. He doesn't. I think your drag must have been loose. He's not that big. Right on, dude. Sweet. Mexican hat. And look at Russ. Your lure's out right now. Look, shitty net job, dude.
Yeah, I have to agree on that one, Vance. Not as big as I thought.
No.
A few moments later.
31 feet. I'm 48 out of here. Come on, fish. Yeah, it's humpy. Yeah, it's actually pretty. I'm 44. Yeah, that's what I meant.
Shitload of boats down there by the deadline. Smoke.
Oh, sure. You're on.
Maybe I can get it.
It's right up on top. Might be a silver. I'm pushing the Mexican hat. You like that breakaway? It might be a silver, Russ.
Slow down a little bit.
Tighten the drag and leave it. It's up to you. I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying it. The head shakes like that one time I had a stag. Go 50, 60, 40. Might be. Probably a twin to yours. Probably have a 12 pounder.
That would be right there.
Ah, he's sticking with it. Okay. A little bit, tighten them up just a quarter turn. Okay, 7, 8. I'm enjoying this fucker. Iron out. Straight up. Ooh, good one. That's a good one. And yes, your drag is loose, but I like it like that. Fuck, 2 passes, 2 passes, I called it! I called it! Yeah!
You did call it. And it is a, no, it's a little bit bigger.
That's a nice Chinook. 2 passes, 2 fish! Yeah! Bro! 2 more passes, we might have 2 more fish. That's a nice one. 14, 15. It's got a fin though, we gotta throw it back. Woo! Mexican hat for the win! You call that. Tell them to throw the wrong way.
I'm going tight, going with the tide, dude. That was good. Tight, man.
Sweet! That was a nice little fight.
Short.
That was fun. Ooh.
Short leader, fucking.
Yeah, that's what I usually run too. Like I wouldn't get sniffed today.
You want pliers?
Bonk them first, so make it easier to get the hook out of them. Oh, we didn't like that. I'm switching a Mexican hat. Look at. I do like that breakaway.
Okay.
Might be a silver, Russ.
I'm gonna slow down a little bit.
Yeah, it's fine. Gotta tighten the drag and leave it.
It's up to you.
I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying the head shakes like that one time I had a snag. 50, 40. Might be. That's what it is. Probably a twin to yours. Probably have a 12 pounder.
That would be my guess.
I just took another.
Okay, okay.
tighten them up just a quarter turn. Okay, 7/8.
Take your time, take your time.
Tire him out. Straight up. Oh, it's a big one. That's a big one. And yes, your drag is loose, but I like it like that. Look, 2 passes, 2 fish. I called it. I called it. Yeah.
You did call it, and it is a no. It's a little bit bigger than mine.
That's a nice Chinook. 2 passes, 2 fish. Yeah, bro ho ho. 2 more passes, we might have 2 more fish. That's a nice one. 14, 15. It's got a fin though. We gotta throw it back. Woo! Mexican hat for the win.